Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V29 Lite, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which is similar to this one, or for instance something like this, and it will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, spin one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, we can then pop out the tray, which we do need to take the case off of the device to do so. And the tray is located at the bottom of the device. So pushing it in, you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to pull it out, like so. And it looks like we actually don't have a SD tray in here, so I'm going to toss that to the side. We only have dual SIM card support, so you can place a SIM card on either side. When placing your SIM, make sure that it is clipped in correctly all the way. It should not be falling out of the tray on its own if you flip it upside down. And then just pop it back into the device, and the card should start working right away. As you can see, it is for me, as it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card PIN. This will unlock my card, and that's it. So the card is ready to go. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.